all IPM journeys may not be same. There are a lot of journeys where students actually think यार मुझे नीट साइड जाना है, नहीं मुझे IIT साइड जाना है. In fact, we have one success story today who actually thought of going to IIT side initially. He spent almost a year for IIT preparations, then came back and thought of going to IIM. And after taking a drop, he has successfully made inside IIM. Congratulations, Dhaval.
Thank you,
Dhaval
sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, आपको भी congratulations.
धन्यवाद.
So we also have his father with us, Dinesh Kumar Chandelkar ji over here. And मैं आप दोनों से बस एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूँ. सबसे पहले जब रिजल्ट के बारे में पता पड़ा, तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, क्या फीलिंग्स थी, क्या कर रहे थे आप लोग उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पर?
सर हम लोग है ना, कुछ दोस्त लोग आए हुए थे चाय पीने.
ठीक है.
तो फोन उस समय दिल्ली में था धवल. तो दिल्ली से फोन आया कि पापा मेरा है ना इंदौर में हो चुका है सिलेक्शन. एकदम से मेरा एक दोस्त था, वो एकदम उछल पड़ा.
अच्छा. अच्छा, फ्रेंड्स
से मेरे वो उछल पड़ा. और बोले चल 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 चलिए. सुन रहा था धवल, बोले चल 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 मिठाई लेके आते हैं.
और वो दिल्ली में थे.
I was alone in an hotel room when I checked.
अच्छा,
I
you were
was
there for
Ranchi.
interview. Okay. So so when you got to know it, you were alone and your parents were celebrating over here.
Here.
You may be on the video calls and everything.
Yes, yes,
of that
yes,
sort,
yes.
right? All right, let's move ahead and ask me the next question, Dhaval, from you. What do you think was the toughest part? So, this journey has been very, very different.
Yes,
You
yes,
told
yes.
me before this particular conversation that you actually prepared for IIT.
Mhm.
Then you got to know about IIM.
IIM,
So,
yes.
थोड़ा सा backtrack करते हैं इस journey. वापस से जीते, क्या कर रहे थे, IPM के बारे में कैसे पता पड़ा, सुपरग्रेड्स के बारे में कैसे पता पड़ा, and how did you move?
So at the start, I did not know about IPM at all, even in my 12th, like half the 12th. And I was preparing for JEE, as you told, but it wasn't my passion, JEE. And I felt so lost and I felt like JEE isn't for me, engineering isn't for me. I'm only doing because like my mother is an engineer, my sister is an engineer. So I was very lost. And then I came to know about IPM, and through you I heard like what's the program and what's
So you may
what
be
it
watching
entails.
some Superguides random
Yes,
random
yes,
video.
yes, yes,
All right.
yes.
Okay.
And then I realized that it was perfect for me. Like I had good communication skill, leadership skill, always. So like I thought that this is perfect for me, and then I searched like how to prepare for it, what is the admission process like, and then I joined the Supergrad.
Okay. So he's basically from Bhopal, and Dhaval joined the Supergrads offline batch of Bhopal. And a lot of students were telling me offline students का भी interview लीजिए, because Raghav
Yes.
was our online student, so वहाँ पर मुझे काफी सारे students से comment किए. So I thought come up with Dhaval now, and let us have an interaction with him, because how does the offline environment looks like? How was the journey? I mean, so it started with Supergrads. How did it go ahead?
If I have to say, it was like the coaching like environment was very healthy actually.
Okay.
When you heard about like coachings, especially like 11, 12, it is very toxic. You always heard in like
Okay,
everywhere.
So particularly in IIT JEE.
IIT, yes, yes, yes,
Because
yes.
you've already had that
experience,
in the
yes.
12th, yeah.
So when I came here, it was totally different. It was very healthy. Teachers were very actually frank, chill.
Okay.
Yes, they were almost friend-like. They like you can go to them with any sorts of query and they'll try their level best to solve them.
Okay. सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, आप बड़े सपोर्टर रहे या मैडम बड़े सपोर्टर रही इसकी प्रिपरेशन में?
मम्मी रही ज्यादा सपोर्टर, मैं तो कम रहा. मेरा बाकी ये था कि मम्मी थोड़ा डांटती थी और मैं कभी डांटता नहीं हूँ.
आपने बिगाड़ा, उन्होंने सुधारा.
हाँ.
ऐसा?
क्योंकि मैं भी जब पढ़ता था ना, तो मैं भी रात में ही पढ़ता था, क्योंकि उस समय भी खूब शोर, और हमारे समय तो लाउड स्पीकर वगैरह खूब होते थे सर, तो ज़्यादा शोर होता था. और ये जैसे भी बारिश में तो हमारे यहाँ आला वगैरह चलते थे और रामायण चलती थी, तो शोर होता था. तो मैं भी रात में जाग के 4 बजे तक सुबह तक पढ़ता था. तो फिर मेरी मम्मी मुझे आराम से सोने देती थी 10 बजे तक. इसके साथ ऐसा नहीं होता था. इसकी मम्मी चाहती थी कि सुबह 7 से 8 के बीच उठी जाए हर हाल में, क्योंकि पापा 9:30 के पहले चले जाते हैं ऑफिस से. तो मम्मी चाहती थी कि ये पहले उड़ जाए और पापा से कुछ बात करे। अब
कब
मैं
तक सोते थे?
ये 9 बजे तक सुबह तक सोता था।
और मतलब कब किस टाइम तक रात तक पढ़ाई करते थे?
ये रात तक 3 बजे तक के, कभी 4 बजे तक भी पढ़ता
मेहनत
था।
काफी हुई।
काफी होती थी। बाकी उसकी मम्मी ये बोलती थी कि नहीं, सुबह पढ़ना अच्छा है, बाकी जागना भी सुबह बहुत अच्छा है।
चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया। And I think your mom has closely watched this particular
Yes, yes.
journey. I would like to also know from you,
Mhm.
what role did she play in this particular success? Because we're dedicating this particular success to parents. We want to understand from students, particularly because she's not there. So I want to hear it from you as well and from your father as well. How was she after you, so that you got inside the biggie?
At first, both my parents did not know about IPM, IIM. Yes. So the first task was to convince them to join this journey with me, and as like it only took a few days, and then they were fully on board. And then my mom took me to like Super. I told them about Supergrad, and it's a very good offline coaching. I always wanted an offline coaching. I told them from the beginning. So they took me like the very day I told, they took me to the IPM, like Supergrads coaching. And all over like throughout the years, both of them have been my biggest supporter, especially my mom. As they did not they gave me everything. Every book I told, it was there next day. Anything, study material, anything I told, it was there next day. So they are my biggest supporter.
घर में माहौल कैसा रहता था? बिकॉज आपके पास एक गोल था सर,
Mhm.
एंड एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है जहां पर एक स्टूडेंट ने करियर चेंज किया, आप जान रहे थे कि ये आईआईटी नहीं करना चाहता, उसके बाद वो सबसे बड़ी विडंबना है यहाँ पर कि ड्रॉप ईयर भी है।
जी
सो वो मन में कहीं ना कहीं एक एक चाहे ना चाहे नेगेटिव ख्याल आता है कि
जी।
अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, एंड ऑल दैट सॉर्ट। तो आपने घर में कैसा माहौल रखा इस टाइम?
नहीं, माहौल तो बहुत हमारे यहाँ शांत रहता था,
शांत रहता था।
और धवल जो करेगा वो अच्छा करेगा।
अच्छा,
हाँ, हम लोगों का ये थॉट था, क्योंकि ये शुरू से ब्रिलियंट रहा, तो हम लोगों को पूरा यकीन था कि ये जिस भी फील्ड में जाएगा ये सक्सेस होगा। हाँ, क्योंकि इसके इसकी दीदी से भी इसका है ना माइंड लेवल थोड़ा हायर है। तो दीदी को भी ये समझाएगा, दीदी ने भी कर चुकी है इसकी, वो भी सपोर्ट करती थी, ये भी उसको सपोर्ट करता था, तो लगता था कि कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा करेगा। तो इसलिए हमने पूरा छोड़ दिया था कि धवल तुम्हें जो करना है तुम फ्री हो हमारी तरफ से।
That was a very difficult decision. So what he's telling me at that point of time, they supported you completely.
Yes, yes, yes.
But switching on from one career to another, taking a drop,
Yes, yes, yes.
and then going inside this particular field, don't you think that's quite, what should I say, courageous decision in a way?
It was yes, you are correct. It was very difficult, but I had this sort of blind confidence
Okay.
कि हो ही जाएगा.
हो ही जाएगा.
हाँ, you can call that arrogance also, but I was very, very confident from day one.
Day one.
Yes. So that was.
So I think I'm sorry I'm interrupting you in between, but because I want to understand the psyche over here, because it's not easy. Trust me, trust me on this. 150 people getting inside, thousands of people writing an examination. You always had this in particular in your mind, and you were positive enough. So negativity comes in the minds of people that ab kya hone wala hai, ek do number ho gaya.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you were so positive. Apart from this positivity, what helped you reach inside to get this particular?
So I wasn't positive because like I think I'm so smart, or like this is very easy, because I wanted to do IPM. It was my passion. So that helped me a lot. And I think that is very important. Like for other students also who will see that, if you wanna go to IPM, go because you wanna go, not because it has high packages and this, that, like exposure. Yes. If it is your passion, then you should pursue IPM, I would say.
Okay, my next question to you is, I think every student watches something challenging during their journey. What was the most challenging segment for you? I mean, among all the three sections or particular chapter that actually disturbed you during the journey?
I think arithmetic was very difficult for me. I know many students say that arithmetic is the easy part, but because I was coming from JEE and I had like higher maths exposure, but I had not studied arithmetic since like a very long time. So that was difficult, and in English, grammar was very difficult for me. Like my vocab and everything was good, but grammar was very difficult. So then Sana ma'am helped me a lot. She told me like buy Rene Martin and like study every singular topic and then mix it up at last.
So now let's revisit and help me understand what was the class dynamics, how were mentors supporting you, did peer group support you, how was those days, because you are going to miss those days, I'm quite sure.
Yes. I think being a dropper is a very, very hard thing
Okay,
societally.
you agree that?
Yes.
Agree with that?
Yes.
Okay.
And I think your peers are the only one who understand what you are going through. I think not even your parents.
And all the peers are droppers because of that, right?
Yes.
All right.
Like not even your parents, your friends who are not droppers, like they do not understand what you are going through. So I think having a friend group in that environment who are also dropper is very, very important.
Great.
Yes.
Yeah. I haven't thought about it. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
completely understand. And what role were the mentors playing? In सबका नाम ले लेना because उनकी वजह से तुम आज जा रहे हो.
Yes,
and
sure.
They are expecting.
Yes.
Right.
I think every teacher was very frank, and I think mentoring was very important, especially to me. So you can go to them anytime. They all had given their telegrams and their phone number personally. I think Anshu sir was very chill, and he he told me to call him if anything happens. Satish sir was very good. Nikhil sir was brilliant in LRDI. I think I was struggling in LRDI for a bit, for a
Okay.
month. So he told me
So he
tricks
helped
and
you over
yes.
there. Okay. All right. Any other faculty member which you're missing? जिनने पढ़ाया हो?
Anil sir
Anil
also.
sir, of course.
Yes.
So all right. The team is led by Anil sir, of course. I would also like to understand Dhaval over here. Any moment that was so challenging that या तो वो you felt giving up, या फिर you thought I should have done something. I should have gone back to IT or something like that.
Yeah, like when you are a dropper and everybody, every one of your peers, your friends from school is going on to college and having freshers party and enjoying college, and so you feel a bit left out actually, and you feel like, oh, I should have joined a college and took a partial drop or something like that. But I think that wouldn't have been wise, because then I wouldn't have I wouldn't be able to give my 100% in this, and I think I wouldn't been able to clear Indore if it wasn't for a full drop.
सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपने मुझे इस पर्टिकुलर इंटरव्यू के पहले बताया मैडम सख्त थी
जी,
आप आसान थे
जी,
सख्ती काम आई कि आपका आसान होना काम आया?
देखो 50-50 है दोनों,
50-50
है ना. अगर बच्चे को ज्यादा टॉर्चर करोगे तो वो ऐसा ना हो कि कुछ गलत कदम उठा ले.
सही बात.
तो इसीलिए मैं चाहता था कि भाई शांति रहे घर में.
What do you think? I mean, did your mothers being strict on you actually help you or not?
Yeah, it helped me. Like if I was scrolling on internet, so she told me don't do it, study. But mine was I really study good at night without any distraction when there's no one around. So, but that isn't visible to everybody. I'm studying alone. So I think that both aspects are very important, I would say.
All right, and in this particular journey, one aspect is really very important, and that is testing self.
Yes.
And so Supercrats mocks. Already I think in one of my previous interviews when I was talking to Raghav, he told me that वो staircase जैसे बने हुए हैं जिसमें शुरुआत में आसान है, फिर टफ हो जाते हैं, फिर बिल्कुल इंदौर जैसे हो जाते हैं. So that was his
Yes.
How do you feel about Supercrats?
I think I would agree with him. Yeah, that's a very good assessment. And yes, difficulty levels also vary. Starts to that is very important, and topic tests are also very good. I think underappreciated.
Okay.
Because after every topic, you don't know where you stand if you understand that topic. Because on surface level, you can say, okay, I understand, I heard. But when you actually test yourself, then you realize that where you are. So I think testing yourself after each topic is very important.
All right, I think Aster Test series is having topic tests. Dhaval is mentioning specifically, please do not undermine them. Whenever you're finishing your topic, just go through the topic tests. Build yourself up. Go for the sectional tests. That's always advice that we are always giving on board as well. And then go for the full length mocks, and as clearly being told by him, and that the mocks are really good. Okay. I would like to know, sir, मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आप एक सक्सेसफुल पेरेंट हैं अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे. 150 सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स आज के टाइम पे IIM इंदौर के अंदर जा रहे हैं. धवल उसमें से एक है. कुछ तो घर में ऐसा माहौल रहा होगा जिसकी वजह से आज धवल जा पा रहा है. क्या आपकी एडवाइस पेरेंट्स को है जो आपको अभी सुन रहे हैं
जी,
कि किस टाइप का माहौल बनाना चाहिए बच्चे के?
माहौल यही है, घर में शांति रहे बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए जो आवश्यकता है मटेरियल की वो उपलब्ध कराएं अधिक से अधिक, क्योंकि बच्चा आजकल है ना ज़्यादातर मोबाइल और टीवी में ही बिजी हो रहा है। तो ऑफलाइन क्लासेस या ऑफलाइन जो पुस्तकें हैं वो बच्चों को उपलब्ध कराए, तो जिससे बच्चा है ना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ सके, क्योंकि पुस्तकों की आदत आजकल बच्चों में ख़त्म सी होती जा रही है सर। जिसको देखो मोबाइल और टीवी इसी से पढ़ना चाह रहा है।
सही कह रहे
तो पुस्तकों की ओर जाए, क्योंकि एक पुस्तक अगर एक राइटर लिखता अपना जीवन का सार लिखता है, तो वो आपको अगर 3-4 घंटे में पढ़ना मिला तो आप एक व्यक्ति को पढ़ रहे हो। तो इसी तरह बुक्स है जो आपके काम आती है, जो पढ़ाई के समय तो
I think rightly being said by your father that you need to be very close to the books and you should have a conducive environment in the home for your children. You need to support them. I'd like to ask you in particular because you are someone who took drop, who changed his mind. So I want your opinion on two things. Should people take this risky decision first? What you did. Okay. Secondly, what should be the dropper strategy? Because you have been successful in both the angles, right? You took a risky decision, then you finally got successful as well. What should be the dropper strategy for who wants to crack IPM?
I think I would only give them advice who wanna take drop, who knows they can crack Indore. Not even Ranchi, everything. Only Indore. If they know they can crack, only then take the drop.
So you actually mean to say that you always knew that you are going to get inside.
Yes, inside.
ये thought कभी भी गया ही नहीं
गए
mind से.
नहीं, कभी नहीं गए.
Okay. Or peace.
And I think my friends were all very supportive also that yeah, you'll get in. Teachers also.
So दूसरों ने manifest कर लिया.
Manifest. Yes. Totally agree. And what was your second?
My second question is, what is the droppers strategy?
Give all of yourself in. Like no
No
backup,
distractions.
no nothing, like no distraction. Give all yourself in. Go, do not miss a class. Because you're a dropper, you don't need to miss a class, right? And study every you have given RSMs and GMBs, so study that. Classroom sheets, please do that. Don't usko टालो मत.
How is the material?
Very good.
So good. That's something
हाँ,
अच्छा है.
बहुत
Sufficient है.
more than sufficient.
More than sufficient.
Okay.
Okay. How is doubt solving? मैं इसलिए पूछना चाह रहा हूँ क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं I want to take feedback also from our organization. How is doubt solving?
I think very good because there are multiple avenues of drop solving. Not only one. There are Telegram groups. You can every teachers give their personal phone number or Telegram IDs. Also, there are specific doubt classes and doubt sessions which are held. And also, you can ask the drops in the class itself. And no teacher will say that I'll not solve right now. Every teacher is very happy to solve your doubt. And I think that is very important to solve the doubt then and there itself when you have the doubt, because then you are the most fresh your mind and you can solve them. So I think drop in Supergrads drops is very, very good because no teacher is hesitant to solve anything doubt.
Now the last question, and you can take a pause, think, and then answer. I'm asking this question from everyone. One piece of advice, only one piece that you think is the most significant one to get inside IIM, because you've already made it here.
I think for me, always believe in yourself. Always. Don't be 50-50 or if I'll get in or I'll not get in, because if I had that thought, I'll not be getting in. And also solve as many mocks as you can, because mocks is very important. And IPM is very different from other tests because it has interview also. Right. So it needs an all-rounder student, not just an academic student. So participate in everything you can, MUNs and competitions, because it will help you in interview rounds.
Right. So rightly stated. So I'm coming across first student who's saying consistency से भी ज़्यादा belief में ताकत है. So he's saying that I always thought that I was going to get through. And that was what helped him. That is what helped him getting inside IIM. On that particular note, I'll say goodbye to each and every one of you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations,
Thank
sir. And we'll be meeting someone else in the next episode. So stay tuned also.